Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. I am Hitesh, your beauty expert from Swiss Beauty. As you all know, Navratri is around the corner and Navratri is all about bold and vibrancy. So today I am going to show you two different eye makeups on different eye shapes. So today we have Akshita here. Akshita, we have a right product for you. It's 24/7 Passport Eyeshadow Palette in shade 03 Grand Arrival. As you can see, it's all about color. Further not wasting time, let's quickly get into the session. As you can see, her crease line is overlapping her eyelids. For that, I'm going to use a lighter color to make her crease line a little more prominent. The same color I'm going to use on a lower lash line. Now building the color, just mixing this color and create this hue. Adding this violet color in the corner of the eye. Adding the same color on lower lash line. Using the silver color to add the shine. Wrapping the product and blending it. Taking this peach and mixing with this pink color. And adding some lower lash line. Extending the color to make her eyes more longer. Use this on the right side. And that's the final one. I'm gonna start second eye makeup look. For that I have Sabita here. Hi Sabita.
Hi.
So as you can see, her eyes are elongated. For that I'm not gonna use any shiny product. So I am gonna use HD Professional Eyeshadow Palette in shade 04. As you can see, all the colors I have, it offers you 40 versatile shades and all of them are matte. So that's the perfect product for Sabita. Starting with peach color for her crease line, dusting off the product, applying only on crease line, taking this nude color on my flat brush, dusting off the product, dabbing just center to the eyelid. Taking this green color on my pencil brush, dusting off, using this green color as an eyeliner, using a shade matching outfit for lower lash line, the same thing on the other eye. And that's the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the eye looks. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. See you.